Alright guys, we're doing a cabin air filter here, and I just wanted to show you guys something. Our man Feivel did in fact start chewing out the cabin air filter, and when I first went on my pre-repair road test, this car has a very strong odor of peppermint oil. Now, I know a lot of people say the peppermint oil works in deterring Feivel and his man Two Holes, but I don't think it's either of these guys that are in this car, because what is that? What type of poop is that? What type of freaking poop is that? They made it into the car. Not only do they got the Alibaba carpets here, but what the hell? What animal leaves turds in the car looking like that? It honestly looks like a baby cat throw up. Like, they got a cat in the car? No, if they had a cat in the car, they wouldn't have freaking rodents. Gotta sell this car. Gotta sell this customer a cat for this car or something, because the peppermint oil ain't doing it for him. We got the cowl out after seeing those giant turds in the glove box, and at first glance we don't see a nest, but the further we go in, we see a nest back there, and he is very comfortable in there from the elements and everything. Unfortunately, the eviction man has come. Feivel, you're out of here. Alright guys, you remember how it looked before? Well, now it's nice and clean. We got our rodent nest out of that corner there and cleaned up. We disinfected this whole area right here. And I don't know if anybody else does this when they take the cowl out, guys, but the cowl actually sits on top of the glass on this edge. Whenever I have the cowl out, I always clean this edge with glass cleaner. I always do, because when you put the cowl back in, it's just going to look like a very clean installation, guys. So that's a tip I can do for you guys whenever I do this service here. And if you're familiar with the channel, Feivel is a plentiful on the channel, and we do this service a lot. So that's a very good tip, guys. If you're cleaning this area, you might as well clean the windshield area too. All right, let's continue. Let's get this back in there. Easy does it. Don't want to nick the windshield. You don't want to crack the windshield, or you're going to have a bad day. So we'll finger tighten those bolts there, giggity. And then once we have all the bolts installed, we will tighten them in a uniform manner. Very good. That one went in a little hard. May have to check that one again. Now guys, they're all 10 millimeters, they're all the same length. Some of them are a little uglier than others because they got a little case of the flavors, but generally speaking, they all fit in the same hole. And yes, that is a giggity. I usually always start from the middle. Oh, and I work my way out. Have you seen my baseball? Let's see. Oh, what time is it? Always be careful when installing the wiper transmission, guys. You can and will break the windshield. Put that right back there. It's only held in by 2 bolts. 1, and then 2 over here. Let's get this guy right going. Let's get this guy here. Alright, now we're ready for the cowl. Very good. Alright, so I know I'm going to get it for in the comments that this here cowl is not clean. But not for nothing. The vehicle is going to detail after this, and they're going to clean this out. So I don't want to do their job for them, you know. They need the work also. Come on in, Cal. Water's fine. What are we getting stuck on? Getting stuck on something. What's going on here? Okay, there we go. You got to get this under and over the windshield, preferably without breaking it. There we go. And there are clips along the edge here that just snap into place. And you'll know when it's in. So you can wiggle it, but you can't lift it out. There's 1. There's 2. Now tip, guys, when you install the wiper blades, it's usually a line right here, or you kind of want them straight in line with each other, but when you put the nut on, push it down so the splines can catch. That way it's not going to move when you go to tighten it. And that goes for the driver's side. Make sure it's lined up. And as you put the nut on, giggity, give it a little wiggle. Very good. Tighten these guys up. Not too tight or you'll break it. Very good. Alright, very good, guys. Now that everything is all installed and where it needs to be, I'm going to test the operation, make sure it's good, give it a quick road test, and send it to detail. Very good, guys. Alright, guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.